So guys, that's what happens when you don't know how to drive in a snowstorm in Colorado. Well, specifically in Granby, Colorado. That's what happens. As you can tell,
about 3 feet in the last 2 days.
Yep, about 3 feet in the last 3 days, like Rena just said. It's been
non-stop.
We're just heading down the mountain now. We're gonna go into Granby here, get us some lunch. That's if we can make it down the freaking hill, which we've got a Subaru, so we'll make it.
Super slow.
Yeah, as you can see, you can't see anything. You can see Rena. Hi. Really think I should rename my YouTube channel Rise with Rena. I thought that was a pretty good name. And since most all of my videos are riding with Rena, then that just might very well be what we change the name to. Just coming down the corner here now. As you can see, everybody's car is covered in snow. There's the inn at Silver Creek as we pass by. This is the largest wooden building west of the Mississippi. Coming up on the back side of it now.
I thought that was Colin, but no, it's his truck.
Tow truck over there. Oh, you can't see him now, I'm sorry. Passing Silver Creek. Grand Manor Restaurant. There's the rest of the building. Alright guys, and now we're at Highway 40. Leaving Granby Ranch now. Alright guys, go check out my YouTube page, Joe Carroll 1983. Have a good one.